Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is Lucy. She's coming today for a redesign. Her baby finger and her middle finger, she had gone out and she had broken them, so we just took the remaining acrylic that was left on her nail off and we applied tips. So the tips, this one, so on the baby and the middle, are my new extreme stiletto tips. They are out of this world, girl. So they're a stiletto shape, and then you just trim off the tip and it gives you the most perfect coffin shape without any filing. So yeah, they're amazing, but unfortunately I launched them Friday and they sold out Friday. No, they sold out Saturday. But I do have another order coming next week, along with refill bags that will be available. So yeah, anyway, we've done our clear layer and now we're going in with our design. So originally she wanted a black and rose gold set because she said she had just decorated her kitchen like that, so she wanted some matching nails. But we went, it was still this, I suppose this set is still rose goldy, but I swayed her against the black. I always do. So the ring, the baby finger is CJP Cinnamon. The ring finger here is going to be just a full glitter now. I'm using my size 10 brush to lay my acrylic. So this glitter here is champagne gold from my website. I put this one down first because she wanted vintage copper again from my website, but I find vintage copper quite chunky. So if you've got a chunky glitter like that, it's fine, but just put a similar glitter that's easier to work with down as a base first, and then apply your chunky over the top. It just helps you out, and I just like the effect that it gives as well. So yeah, like I said, this is a vintage copper. I meant to say vintage gold then, but it's not. Vintage copper. It's probably to date, it's my most selling glitter. Everybody can't get enough of vintage copper, but to be fair, wait until you see the final result and you will see why it's so popular. So yeah, we're just going to pat and nudge the glitter all into place, making sure we've covered any gaps. So I'll let you enjoy this part. A lot of faffing going on. So the middle finger is just going to be a full now of pomegranate. We was going to do a glitter fade on this one, but the colour just went all the way down to the tip, and then I was like, oh, but I could have resolved it, don't get me wrong, but she was like, actually, let's do the glitter fade on the pointer. This isn't the best application either, because if you could have heard the conversation that me and Lucy were talking about, we was just cracking up the whole time. And you know, Lucy is my fidget bum. She's my stiff fidget bum. And actually, if you'd heard the conversation as well, I told her, I went to her, if I had to get rid of some clients, you would be the first one gone. She was like, you're so mean. No, but anyway, yeah. So full now of, I'm not mean to all my clients, believe me. That's just me being kind. Sorry about that, Luce. Anyway, so yeah, just a full nail of, what did I say it was called? Pomegranate, there we go. Full nail of that. Let's move on, and then this now is going to be our glitter fade. So we're going to use cinnamon at the cuticle area, just blend it down, and then we're going to fade that same glitter down the nail. So the thumb is just going to be a plain nail of cinnamon. It really is just a simple set, but it was just the colours just went so lovely together, and I always love to record a long set of nails, so I just thought I'd get this up for you. So yeah, I'll let you watch this and then I'll be back. So I do leave a little clip of me filing full speed because nobody's got time to watch it in slow-mo. Not, otherwise my video would be so long and that's just boring. So we've just sped through, yeah, that part. So they're my 100 180 grit files, and what is going on here. Oh, I'm sorting out my Efile. So it's my saeyang K35, and this is my trusted flat top carbide bit that is my true love. It's my only love. I can't seem to use anything else to do this part. So yeah, we're just gonna flatten out the cuticle. No, we're gonna make the cuticle lovely and flush, flatten out everything else on the nail so it's lovely and smooth, buff them, all that good stuff, and then we're ready for top coat. So there we go, removed all the dust. I then have like I don't record it, but I have like a really thick, like a brush, a hard brush, and I just put a little bit of like alcohol spray. Oh, hi Mel. Spray it in the brush, and then I'll just scrub over the nails with that. So yeah, this top coat is CJP tack-free top gloss. Look at that glittery nail, just stunning. We're gonna top coat them all, secure in my LED lamp for around 60 seconds. We applied cuticle oil, and that is the set complete. So I do hope you enjoyed this video. There's a little clip at the end of the final result. I've not been looking forward to doing wintry nails, but the last couple that I've done, I've loved them. But anyway, I'm gonna go. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.